Welcome to the Cold Brew Finance End of Day Recap for Tuesday, August 25th, 2026. Today we focus on major movements across stock indexes, sectors, global markets, technology, crypto, and commodities. Let us recap today's market action. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly up today. The Dow 30 Index gained 160.24 to 53,577.40 for its third straight advance. The Nasdaq Composite Index added 171.10 to 26,151.30, while the S&P 500 Index rose 22.97 to 7,675.83. The S&P 400 MidCap Index fell 1.53. Market breadth showed notable divergence across benchmarks. In the S&P 500 Index, decliners led advancers 287 to 197 despite the higher close. Conversely, the Nasdaq Composite Index featured positive breadth with 1,605 advancing stocks, while the Russell 2000 Index saw 952 gainers outpace 795 decliners. Looking at broader returns, the Russell 2000 Index leads all major benchmarks year-to-date with a 21.28% gain. The S&P 400 MidCap Index follows with a 14.97% return. Month-to-date, the Nasdaq Composite Index sets the pace, advancing 3.6% through August. U.S. sectors were led higher by technology and basic materials. The technology sector gained 65.4 to close at 6,773.36. The basic materials sector reached a new all-time high close at 676.30, up 2.34, while the communication services sector rose 2 to 457.95. U.S. sectors were mostly down among lagging groups today. The energy sector dropped 16.47, or 1.7%, to close at 946.97. The consumer defensive sector lost 8.34 to finish at 949.46, while the industrial sector pulled back 4.86 to 1,508.18. Global market funds finished broadly higher today. South Korea led the rally, surging 3.7% with a gain of 6.51 to 180.15. Brazil and Taiwan both jumped 2%, ending at 35.88 and 105.40, while India rose 1.7% to 50.23. Examining longer time frames across global markets, South Korea commands an outstanding year-to-date return of 85.30%. Taiwan also demonstrates massive strength with a 65.91% gain this year. Meanwhile, Finland has climbed 15.91% year-to-date, whereas India remains down 7.7%. Technology heavyweights were mixed. Apple closed at 309.90, down 0.44, and Alphabet fell to 343.34, off 1.25. Amazon slipped to 261.6, down 1.1 after 4 sideways sessions. Meta Platforms rose to 570.5, up 11.3 or 1.9%, its third straight higher close. Nvidia climbed to 212.95, gaining 4.47 or 2.1%.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Key cryptos were all down today, with Dogecoin dropping 2.8% to 0.0875 after breaking downward from 3 days of flat trading. Bitcoin sits at 78,744, and Ethereum is at 2,454, both maintaining strong upward trends. Looking at returns, all 5 cryptos are posting strong month-to-date gains, led by Solana at 34.1%, followed by Ethereum at 31.9%. Year-to-date, however, all remain in the red, with Dogecoin lagging at negative 25.4% and Solana at negative 21.6%, while Bitcoin holds up best at negative 10%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar was mostly weaker against key world currencies, declining against 4 of 5 major pairs. The greenback weakened against the euro, pound, Swiss franc, and Aussie dollar, while gaining against the yen.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.